So on my website, there is a link that people can purchase one-on-one coaching sessions. So for the example here, if I have one-on-one coaching, 1 hour, one time, what I call the SOS call for $147, they can purchase that. So if I click book your call, it takes them directly to a checkout where they can purchase. Just enter their email address and choose to pay either through Stripe, with a credit card, or through their PayPal account. And this will work for either, frankly, probably for any of these scheduling tools. And what I've done is, after I do have the paid version of Calendly. It's $10 or $15 a month. And the benefit of doing that, and the reason why I do that, is I have integrated it directly with Zoom. So as soon as somebody pays, and you saw my checkout, they're redirected to this thank you page. For the thank you page, they choose a date and time that they want to book their call with me. When that happens, Calendly will automatically create a Zoom link for that date and time. And then it sends them a confirmation of the time and date that they've booked. It gives them their Zoom link, and it sends me a notification, and it shows me the Zoom link in my Zoom account. So I can see pre-scheduled meetings in my Zoom account. Let me tell you, it's worth it to me for the benefit of having all of that happen automatically to pay the $10 or $15 a month to Calendly. And I'm sure there's other benefits to having the, I'm not sure what they call that, if they call that a pro version or what they call it, but there's numerous integrations that can happen. This was another thing that I love to do with Calendly, is I set it up to ask a question. What is your number one challenge right now with Kajabi? Or what do you want to cover during our call together? What's the most important thing that you want to get out of this 1 hour call? All of that can get sent to me automatically beforehand. And like I said, I could do the Bonjoro as well to talk to them a little bit before we meet. And again, the beauty of all of this is purchased through an offer, and it does not take away from the amount of products that I have.